You're here to make money. Why are you doing crypto right now? To hold bags and watch them fall lower? Let me help you. I thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, 19,000, barely hanging on. Remember, 2017 cycle top is the support. Now it's possible that the bulls could lose this level and we'd see more downside out of Bitcoin. So we're going to zoom in, check out some other time frames, other charts to give us some more ideas of confluence where we can build a better picture of the market. Plan A, long the breakout to the upside, short the breakout to the downside. I mean, that's really the cookie cutter way you trade this, right? This thing breaks out and I'm watching this triangle here and I'm watching this support level here. But you've got this small falling wedge. This larger, this is essentially a bear flag. Right? This is supposed to break lower. However, you've got a falling wedge that's supposed to break higher, 68% chance. And so instead of playing the percentages, it's really wait for the breakdown and short it. Or if you get a reversal, and I'll show you how to nail these reversals and nail the moves on Bitcoin without even looking at the Bitcoin chart. We're gonna look at the stock market, right? It's a lot easier that way. So right now, the bulls are at this support level. So if we go in and we look at the 1 hour chart, we're gonna find more data, more information. You've got this long, skinny falling wedge. So the 68% chance this breaks higher. It's supposed to break higher. If it does though, look, the measured move is right in this area. Measured move is going to put it right up here, and then it just hits this upper trend line resistance. And does it potentially get rejected again, or does it break out? If it breaks out, you go long. So, I mean, do you front run this and you open up longs based on this idea? I mean, you're only talking about a $550 move out of Bitcoin if this happens, right? You'll see obviously a larger move out of the altcoins, but Bitcoin will bore you to death until you get to the end of the triangle. And I mean, it could potentially continue sideways after the end of the triangle. Normally you don't see that, but open interest is really high. Everybody's looking for a move right now. There's a lot of money that's going to be made and lost. We'll get some scammy wicks, some scammy price action. Over leveraged longs and shorts are going to get wiped out based on some scammy price action out of Bitcoin. But I'm going to show you how to nail these moves by looking at some other charts. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, essentially, he turned $1,000 into $11,000 in the group. This person, I quit my job a couple months ago. There's a point in trading where the work every day gets in the way. And that's where I've got to get you guys. Okay, so this person, again, was up as really as 5,863 euros in 24 hours. This person turned $30,000 into $250,000. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. Can help you. I'll change your life forever, period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Every day, we nailed tons of shorts. These little short coins are easy to trade on Kucoin. Make an account there, trade from anywhere. The VIP link's in the description, and you're trading these short, EOS 3X short. You're trading these little short coins, very easy to make a lot of money. Now, a lot of these are longs, and a lot of these are small cap bangers. So we do real good at those. You know, every day we're posting those. Here's my ADA short. I posted on September the 29th. It's up 36%. When you think a coin is cheap, let me remind you of this idea. Bitcoin average pullback in a bear market from the cycle top, 84%. We're not there yet. Altcoins, 90% to 98% pullbacks in bear markets. Most of the altcoins die, gone, zero. Upcoming events to watch. So it's a lot of stock news. I've been really keying in on this, and we've been nailing moves just based on these ideas in the group. October the 12th, you've got PPI data coming out. CPI data coming out on the 13th. That's inflation data. Big tech earnings 24th through the 28th. FOMC meeting is going to be huge because you're going to get your next rate hike. Okay, so if the rate hike less than 75 basis points, which Kathy Wood of ARK essentially wrote the Fed a letter pleading her case that they just stop raising the rates, stop hiking the rates so fast. So again, if you get 50 basis point rate hike instead of 75, that's bullish. You'll get a bounce out of Bitcoin. But again, this is the second. We've got a lot of time to go until the rate hike comes. And so we're watching for inflation numbers because why? The Fed is going to have to react and raise rates based on these inflation numbers. If inflation comes out of whack, expect another 75 basis point rate hike, and the market just continues to get trashed. What's in your wallet? Dude, this is amazing. Just Google it, I said. The true value of an asset, Ethereum, for example, price isn't always a good indicator of the true value of an asset in a market-driven economy, right? ETH has obviously gotten killed, but understand this. You can go to Google right now, Google an Ethereum address, and you can put in, and it will tell you the blockchain address balance. Google partnered with Coinbase to accept cryptocurrency for cloud services. Google is now showing these Ethereum wallet balances. Now, Google has announced plans to expand crypto payments beyond cloud services in the near future. Google, how big is Google? Are you kidding me? Now, why doesn't this pump the price? Because the market's crap. But the infrastructure, like you got to look in the mirror and be like, hey, we're here. We're here. We had to get our teeth kicked in, experience what it's like to take huge losses in a bear market. This is your first bear market. You probably held the downtrend and just completely got devastated. Now, my goal is to get you to a point where you take profits. I sold $64,000 Bitcoin, and I'm looking to load my bags. I want to see Bitcoin uptrend beginning, and then I'll look to load bags as far as these altcoins go. DXY, we talked about this exact idea. This is from yesterday. We said small falling wedge, 68% chance it breaks to the downside. Now, if this thing is just a bullish retest of this level right here, and this thing continues higher, the DXY, the dollar index, continues higher, you're going to get more downside out of Bitcoin and the stock market. This right here is going to call the move. This is it. I want to know how easy it is to trade this market. Pay attention to this idea. If you don't get a double bottom right here, get the double bottom, you're looking for a move up here, right? Short-term upside for Bitcoin. But if you put in another lower low, then the next high is going to be a lower high. You're going to come down here somewhere. Market will get devastated. Get attention to ES1 exclamation point. It's S&P E-mini futures. It's open after hours. This one idea has made millions of dollars, period. Total 2. This is not what we want to see. It's right there on the line. So you see, you've got this resistance, resistance, resistance. Right here, support, support. Now here you are, key level right here. You've kind of lost it until you get a breakout of this falling wedge. You're looking for altcoins to continue lower. Now you've got a small falling wedge down here on the RSI, and you could say, Chris, hey, this is going to bounce potentially and come back up here. But if it doesn't break out, it's going to continue lower, and these altcoins continue to get wrecked based on this idea. On a breakout of total 2, load some altcoins and hold them. Now, you do not, you want a good bullish retest. You need stocks to kind of behave, right? You don't want any crazy inflation numbers to come out. There's a lot to watch now, and I need a strong team to help me keep track of all this. Everything we're talking about is posted in the group. That's why we make so much money. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.